So continuing education is a thing in any industry, right? Whether you're a doctor, a teacher, an engineer, there are things that are new and improved available to you in terms of methods and technology to make what you do better year after year. It's important to incorporate these because methods become outdated more and more quickly. Technology is one of those things that has an exponential increase. Each year it pretty much doubles in terms of what is understood and available that can be incorporated into what we're doing in any industry. Lawn care and fertilizer is no different. There are new things on the market and there are new methods and understandings available and new publications to read every month, every year. So it's really, really valuable for us as a local family-owned company to be able to explore these and talk with other professionals in the area and in the country that are incorporating new methods into their programs and do so the same way to make sure that our success is continual and as effective as it can be. Team goes to several conferences or seminars that update you not only on industry standards, but new machinery and equipment that's available, new products, so that we can customize our program not just to fit the needs of our individual clients and their unique lawns, but also to what's actually going to be improved and what's going to be better. A lot of these big companies, these national chains, or even the huge statewide companies, they've got their program down. It works, it makes the grass grow, it's green, but it's the same program. It's been the same program for several years at least. They're not updating it much because it works and they've got a strong market and they're comfortable. We don't want to get to that point. There's always room for improvement, which is why we take our continuing education very seriously. This past week, Jimmy, Brandon, Lisa, and I spent several days in Orlando, Florida for a conference called Lawncology. This is hosted by John Perry, who's the creator of several different products that we incorporate into our program. John's awesome, and he's got his own YouTube channel, and you should definitely check it out if you're interested in soil science and plant health. But what he's doing with this Lawncology thing is very voluntary. He's not really marketing his own products, he's educating applicators and individuals out there who are really interested in the progressive side of soil health, soil fertility, soil nutrients, everything like that. So it's an exciting opportunity to be able to not only network with like-minded applicators who are really focused on establishing a progressive program, but also to learn from John and other very strong industry professionals who are kind of driving this movement to make their products more progressive, more conscientious, and as a result, more effective.
What are cat ions? What are cat ions? Positively charged ions represent the simple. What it is, some days when you start looking into the soil and you see things like this, you're facing what we've got. Okay, this is the base saturation area that soil has talked about. Anyway, we're saying it's where these rains, 75%, calcium, and 50% magnesium. We got like 5%.
One of the big things that was discussed at Lawncology this year that I'm really, really excited to be able to build into our program and offer to our clients is a liquid aeration product. This is something that's been around for a while, but is really gaining momentum as more and more people have tested it and proven its efficacy. Instead of the mechanical core aeration that we're used to, where you have to pull the cores out of the soil, liquid aeration is reducing compaction on a chemical level. As a result, it's more effective because it's covering the entire surface and not just wherever you hit these cores, but it's also safer for your property because you don't have to worry about it doing any potential damage to sprinkler heads, underground lines, or anything else. So it's more effective, it's more convenient, It's kind of a win-win. I'm going to be publishing a lot more information on this as we built it into our program over the summer, getting ready for fall aeration seeding, so be sure to stay tuned for that because it's going to be something really exciting.
The products we have available to control sedges typically are limited. Chemistries we have access to are limited because if they move well in the soil, typically they can move in the water. So they're going to restrict herbicides that have high mobility. What's a popular, this is not a sedge product, but we talk about a restricted use product that's probably used real heavily here in Florida.
Obviously, a big perk to Lawncology this year was how many exciting faces there were in terms of other YouTube channels that are kind of doing the DIY side, as well as a lot of industry professionals that I've spoken with before about what they're seeing in their area, what they're doing to educate their clients. So it was great to be able to meet a lot of people, make some friends, and kind of get some pointers on what they're doing that we might be able to do differently. What was cool about Lawncology is you've got this network of close to 100 people from across this part of the country, from Texas to Maine to Indiana to Georgia, Florida, everybody in the middle, who are wanting to work together to create a supportive system and teamwork and an industry standard of good customer service. Too many people have had a bad experience that steers them away from investing in professional care for their lawn, and that's the opposite of what we want. Lawn care providers are the stewards, basically, of these residential properties and commercial properties that are investing in a lawn. So it's an important thing for us to not only be able to communicate with our clients on what we're doing, but to be educated on it and understand that whole system and be sure that we're being responsible as well as effective. This was the first seminar or event or conference that I've been to like this for lawn care. I've been to it in other industries in the past, but it was really neat to see how supportive and involved it was. I'm looking forward to future ones, so if you are one of our colleagues in the area or in a different state who's going to something soon, let me know what it is. Are you going to anything between now and the GIE in the fall? If you're going to the GIE, am I going to see you there? Just let me know. And if you're one of our clients and you've got questions about what we were doing while we were there, let me know. I'm happy to answer and give you more information about what we learned. And I'm definitely going to be building it into our next several videos so that we can stay in touch and stay up to date on what we're learning and what you're learning as a result.